التكنولوجيا، هل هي مفيدة أم ضارة؟
ما أحب التكنولوجيا فهي تساعدني في الدراسة والسمع
بشكل الكافي مثل التنمر الإلكتروني.
تساعدنا التكنولوجيا على تعلم بعد.
You are posting on social media, messaging someone, or commenting online. The way you behave reflects who you are as a person. Cyberbullying can happen anytime and anywhere, making it hard for victims to escape or feel safe.
Cyberbullying is one of those serious challenges in our digital world.
One message saying this is not okay can completely change the situation.
Privately message the person to check if they are okay. Report the content using the platform's reporting tool.
I will think before I post, share or comment.